Welcome to Elevate Your Mind, Elevate Your Wealth, a daily space for discipline, clarity, and legacy-driven self-mastery. This presentation, I am the continuation of all who endured before me, powerful legacy motivation, is designed for daily repetition, especially in the morning, when identity is most impressionable and focus is most available. This is not a place for hype. This is not a place for temporary inspiration. This is a space for showing up, even when you don't feel like it, a space where consistency does the work motivation cannot. These affirmations and guided visualizations are here to ground you in strength, anchor you in discipline, and remind you who you carry forward. You are not starting from nothing. You are continuing something meaningful. You don't need to be energized. You don't need to feel ready. You only need to be present. As you listen, allow the words to settle without forcing belief. Repeat them if you choose. Breathe slowly. Let repetition shape identity. Let consistency carry the weight. If this practice supports your growth, like the video, not for validation, but to reinforce the habit. Subscribe to make discipline part of your daily rhythm, and activate the bell so structure meets you here with each new release. Now, get comfortable. Take a slow breath in.